Hey everybody, so in today's video we're going to take a look at some of the solid modeling tools BobCAD has to offer. Surface and solid modeling are similar. Some of the standard primitives you'll find within the BobCAD system is cubes, cylinders, spheres, cones, and torus. But you can also take any of your 2D sketches and convert them into 3D solids using simple extrude functions. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Some of the standard extrude functions are Extrude Boss and Extrude Cut. Let's start with Extrude Boss, and what we'll do is select this outside profile. Now to select the outside profile, there's a chain select, so we'll hold Shift on our keyboard and left click on our design profile, and that will select all the entities that are trimmed and connected at points of intersection. From here, as an extrusion process, we can extrude it up or down. We have the ability to pull on this drawing handle here to adjust the height of it. We can also just come in here and type in any value that we want. If there was positive or negative draft, we could enter those values here as well in order to change the draft on the design. Now, once we get a solid created here using Extrude Boss, we may decide that we want to do some cutaways. So we'll come in and use Extrude Cut to cut away from the solid. Okay. Now in this case, I want to select some of these chains here, but in order to help me with that selection, first I'll left click in the design interface. I'll hit S on my keyboard to toggle the shading off, and this will make it easier to select these holes. Now in this example, I want to cut these all the way through, so I'll just pull this handle down so that it extends past the bottom of the part. Once I'm done, I'll choose OK and then cancel, and that gets me out of that function. If I want to add additional extrusions, again, we can do Extrude Cut again and select the different areas of our part. Again, these are chain selections. We can adjust what the dimension is here and choose OK. And you can see how we've taken our 2D sketches and turned them into a 3D solid.